morning or good afternoon. Yes, it's another lovely week, and I hope you are there. I hope the week has been lovely for you. I hope the Monday has been lovely for you. How was the weekend? What did you do over the weekend? How did you spend your weekend? Right now I want to cut a very simple top, and I thought I should share with you out there. Okay, lately I've been rocking these very simple chiffon tops, and maybe you want to see how everything is lovely, right? It's my trouser, simply paired up with the lovely shoe, and they are good to go. So that's it. Looking very chic according to Esther. So imagine if you want to make something like this, and first of all, fabrics like this are very cheap in the markets, and you can pair it up with jeans, you can pair it up with anything you actually want anyway. Okay. So the design I want to make here, I would like to use my length as a total of about 25, 26. This is like 27 inches. At the end of the day, we would shorten it down to about 26 inches. Okay, so I'll take just 1 inch out of it for the length. Now my total body, circumference is my bust area is about 42, so I'll use that. Also my hip is around 44-45, so let's use the hip measurement, and then we'll add 2 inches extra for ease allowance. So that will be 2 inches on this side, 2 inches on this side. That means like 4 inches. Okay, so if my hip is 45, when I do that into 2, I have a total of about 22.5. When I do that into 4, I have a total of here. Okay, that's a total of about 11 inches. So this 11 inches now, plus the 2 inches I talked about, that 2 inches is for ease allowance. So yes, we go 2 inches for ease allowance, and then the last 1 inch will be for seam allowance. Okay, so that's why this measurement is getting up to here. And based on that, I'll cut my fabric now in readiness to start below. If you also have questions, network is really messing everything up, but I would explain as I go on. Okay, I simply have separated my front block and my back block. So this is it, front block here and the back block. So it's in 4 pieces right now. I got my neckline at 8, or my shoulder area at 8 inches. Okay, and that is why I measured at that spot. Then to get where my armpit area is, I take that down to about 10 inches, and that is why I am on this space at 10 inches here. Okay, and then of course all the way down will be the total length of this dress. It doesn't have that, so we'll just be sewing on both edges. At the back, I'm going to cut that into 2, but not all the way down, just about 5 inches thereabouts. Okay. Yes, 5 inches after I take out my seam allowance then. I also cut out the neck line for the back space. Okay, fantastic. So this is already out. So let's cut the back. Let's cut the shoulder. And then the neckline, maybe the sleeve or the armpit space.
Can I read this out?
Eh?
Can I read this out?
Can I? Yeah, read.
Someone said that he Temitope. Some are collecting 990k for what you're teaching free online now. God bless you richly.
990k. It's well. I pray for everybody's ministry. It is well. I pray for everybody's ministry. Whoever is getting 990k to teach you tailoring. First of all, you have to understand that that person has what he or she is going to be teaching you. So I don't in any way downplay anybody's business at all. Whoever is going to do that for you knows what he or she is putting down. So hey, if you have the means, you have the money, go for it, okay? Let's go. So let's change this one.
Aisha is watching from